Hi you guys, what's good? Welcome back to the motherfucking channel. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing my birthday toes. Yes, it is Gemini season. Geminis, rise up. Geminis, stand up. Come to the front of the crowd. Come to the front of the line. So we're trying out the BTARTBOX XCOATTIPS. These are the toenails, the full cover toenails. They are made with their BT MMA material. This is a gel material. It's highly permeable, so the UV rays can get through this and cure in the lamp. So I'm going to show you guys the nails that I got. They sent me 2 different types of toenails for this review. This review was a little bit of a challenge for me because these toenails did not really fit my toes the way that I kind of wanted them to, and I'll explain. But at the end of it all, I still like how they look. They actually look cute, and I'll just walk you through my thought process. But this is what they look like when you open them up. When you open them up, the packaging is really pretty and nice and elegant. You have 5 rows here of various sizes of toenails. So the first issue I ran into was that the biggest size did not fit my big toe from sidewall to sidewall perfectly. Now it's only something that I will probably be able to notice. Maybe you guys might be able to notice. I don't know, but I noticed it. I feel like they could have gone a little bit bigger on the big toenails. Also, these are kind of rounded. So if you have rounded toenails, you'll like this. It gives your toenail kind of like an apex. This is the other shade that I got. They're a white chrome. They're super pretty. I'm going to be using the gels that accompany this product. They come separately, but they're like meant to work together. This is what the French toes look like on my silicone foot. My silicone foot has a different anatomy, obviously, than mine. Her nail beds are long and they're kind of far back. So as you can see, the French tip kind of fits perfectly. It's not too long on her. It's not extending past her toe. That was the issue I ran into. On my foot, they didn't look this good. They were extending way too far. They looked way too long. Looked like I had talons on my feet and I had to shave them down. But even still, despite that, despite even having to shave them down, they still looked cute. So I'll show you what I did. This is what the white chrome looked like. The white chrome on a nude. These are so beautiful, and I think they would look good on anyone because you're not dealing with like a French design. You can shave these down as short as you want. So these would be ideal for anyone. So this is my foot. Welcome to my foot. I've gotten over my shyness with my feet on camera. Oh, I have to mention, I've already dehydrated and primed. I'm applying the glue gel on the toe and also on the inside of the nail, and you apply it from the back end first, press down, and then I'm going to flash cure. So yeah, you guys, that red that's in the sidewalls of my toenails, I had red nail polish on before this video. Just going to continue flash curing these nails on. So yeah, the application was pretty easy. I don't have nails on my hands, so obviously if you have nails on your hands, this might be a little bit challenging. By the way, once you're done flash curing, you go in for a full cure. So I'm bringing them down. I would have brought them down even shorter, but I didn't want to get rid of the French completely. A little bit of the French line, I'm just gonna make them as short as possible, and I end up rounding out the corners. This is absolutely not how I would ever wear my toenails. I love a very sharp, square toenail, and a lot shorter than this, but still, even still, despite that, me going out of my comfort zone, I still actually at the end of the day like how they look. Like I said, once I put my oil on and put my shoes on and I started walking around, I was like, you know what, they're not actually that bad. Now that I'm done filming it and I'm looking at them, I'm like, they're actually cute. So I think you guys might like these. If you're interested, I'll have a code down below. The links will be down below. I'm placing on the base coat gel, and then you cure this, and then you go in with a top coat gel. Make sure you seal all the edges. I forgot to seal, but make sure you seal the edges wherever you filed. That's a lot easier said than done. When it's like a tiny little toenail edge, it's a lot easier said than done, but try to at least seal your toenails. And then you want to do this final top coat layer and then cure. You can obviously, before this part, you can put on charms, you can put on stickers, you can paint them, you can treat them just like an extension. Yeah, this is me outside in the shade Natural Lighting, and this is how they look. Not too bad, considering that I really did not like them at first. It's not too bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you so much. Bye. On the phone. Red flag by your side.